So welcome back to the Stocks Trader Pro course. In this video we're going to shift our mind away from the technical side of the trading and talk about something just as important, your mindset as an investment trader. This mindset is completely different from the fast-paced world of day trading currencies, futures and stocks. We can see here we're on this Tesla daily chart. And we've been trading it, taking profits, entering trades again, taking profits. But then something like this happens and we have this huge pullback. Do we go into panic mode? Absolutely no, we don't. And there's many different reasons for it. As investment traders, we understand one thing above all, patience. We know that profits don't come instantly. There won't be trades every single day. And there won't be profits every single day. Instead, we're looking at the market on a much wider scale, weeks, months, and even longer, depending on how many stocks you're actually trading. So again, if you're looking at your watch list and we go down the right hand side, you might be trading just 3 or 4 stocks. If you're only trading 3 or 4 stocks, then obviously you're not going to get as many entries and exits if you were trading 5, 6, 10, 20 stocks. And it's really important to be aware of that because you won't be getting alerts every day. But that mindset has to be the same every single day. Another thing we need to be focused on is discipline and risk. So another crucial part of mindset is discipline. We never want to over leverage our personal funds. You always need to have enough in the pot for the next opportunity. That way, when the market gives you a right setup, you're ready to take advantage without hesitation. What we don't want is a situation where we have bought here and here and here, but we have no funds to buy here and here. We need to make sure we can follow this all the way down. So if you can't afford to put $100, £100 at each level or even more, then think about how much you can actually put in. That won't over leverage you. Because if you don't, then you're going to find yourself in a situation where you're missing out on really good opportunities. Another thing that comes to mind when I'm speaking about mindset is we need to have that mindset that we own the stock. So every time we buy in at a different level, we own that stock. So whether it's shown in profit or sitting there in the red, it's ours. That means we can hold on for the long run, confident that the strategy will bring it back to break even or even into profit over time, which 9 times out of 10, maybe even close to 10 times out of 10, it will do. That is the power of the investment trader's mindset. And we really need to have that. We can't be expecting for everything to go our way every single day. We are in for the long haul. Sometimes we could be in for months. Very rarely it's more than that because we're in and out of the market. Don't look at any of your individual trades as being a losing trade. It's just not ready to take profit yet. And we really need to make sure we have that mindset. So remember, patience, discipline and long-term focus. That's what separates us, an investment trader, from the short-term crowd. With this mindset, you'll not only survive the markets, you'll actually thrive in the markets.